Hello everyone and welcome to our spoken English class. In today's session, we are going to learn parts of speech. Parts of speech help us to construct a grammatically correct sentence, as each part of speech have different functions within a sentence. Some parts of speech also functions as more than one part of speech when used in a different circumstances. Hence, it is very important to know all parts of speech with definition and example. So, let's it go. The parts of speech explain how a word is used in a sentence. There are 8 main parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, preposition, interjection, conjunction, adjective, and adverb. Most parts of speech can be divided into subclasses. For example, adverbs can be divided into adverbs of time, adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, etc. And nouns can be divided into proper noun, common noun, collective noun, etc. For detailed information regarding each part of speech, kindly follow our Parts of Speech series. Noun. A noun is a word that refers to a person, place, thing, or an idea. Nouns can act as the subject of a sentence or as the object of a verb. There are numerous types of nouns, such as common noun, proper noun, collective nouns, etc. Kindly follow our Parts of Speech series to learn more about nouns. Now look at some examples of nouns. Max, Sandra, America, Paris, cat, dog, doctor, boy, girl, happiness, hope, etc. Let's understand them with the help of sentences. Max lives in America. Sandra works in Paris. He is my friend. Max, America, Sandra, Paris, and friend are the nouns. Max and Sandra are the subject of a sentence, and America, Paris, and friend are the object of a verb. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. Pronouns typically refer back to a previously mentioned noun. Like nouns, pronouns can refer to people, places, things, and ideas. There are various types of pronouns. Please feel free to refer our special video on pronouns. Here are some examples: I, you, he, she, it, they, this, that, him, her, etc. Here are some sentences to get a better idea of the topic. I want her to talk to me. Mother is tired. She needs rest. Rahul is my neighbor. He is tall and dark. Highlighted words are pronouns. Verb. A verb is a word that describes an action, occurrence, or state of being. Verbs indicate what the subject of a sentence is doing. Every complete sentence must contain at least one verb. Let's look at some examples. Come, go, play, speak, learn, walk, talk, etc. Now read some examples in sentences. I study at Infinite Sky Foreign Language Academy. She speaks English. They like her videos. Study, speaks, like are verbs conjugated according to the subject. You can find the explanation about verb conjugation in our another videos. Adverb. An adverb is a word that can modify a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs are often formed by adding ly to the end of an adjective. For example, slow becomes slowly. Although not all adverbs have this ending, and not all words with this ending are adverbs. You can learn more about adverbs in our special video on it. Soon, sometimes, frequently, quickly are some examples of adverbs. Let's read some sentences. She speaks fluently. He reads slowly. Usually I am busy in the afternoon. Fluently, slowly, usually are the adverbs in these sentences. Adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Adjectives can be attributive or predicative. They can also have a comparative function. Some examples of adjectives are big, short, tall, six, white, funny, etc. Now let's understand the topic with the help of some sentences. She has a red dress. He is tall and handsome. The child is happy. Red, tall, handsome, and happy are the adjectives in above sentences. Preposition. A preposition is a word or phrase used to show the relationship between the different parts of a sentence. Prepositions can be used to indicate aspects such as time, place, and direction. You can find more about prepositions in our special series of parts of speech. At, in, to, from, up, above, below are some examples of prepositions. Let's have a deep view of the topic by reading some sentences. Books are on the table. Children are in the garden. They are going to school. On, in, to are the prepositions in above sentences. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to connect different parts of a sentence. For example, words, phrases, clauses, etc. The main types of conjunctions are coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. For detailed explanation of conjunction, please watch our special series of parts of speech. Let's have a look at some examples. And, or, but, because, since, unless, until, etc. Now let's read the sentences. I like pizza and burger. I want to watch TV, but I have to study. He came late because he woke up late. Yeah, the smart you must have understood. The highlighted words are conjunctions. Interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase used to express a feeling, give a command, or greet someone. Interjections are grammatically independent part of speech and always followed by an exclamation mark. Here are some examples. Wow! Bravo! Aha! Ouch! Hooray! Etc. Let's try to understand them with the help of sentences. Wow! I passed my English test. Hooray! We won the match. Great! Congratulations! Wow! Hooray! Great! Congratulations! are interjection over here. That's all about today. This is the traditional classification of 8 parts of speech. For detailed information regarding each part of speech, kindly follow our Parts of Speech series. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.